In this session, we will discuss disadvantages of hard water. In earlier sessions regarding hardness of water, we have discussed soap, cleansing action of soap, hardness of water, temporary and permanent hardness, units of hardness, expression of hardness, degree of hardness of drinking water, and numerical problems based on hardness of water. Determination of hardness by EDTA method and numerical problems based on EDTA method. What is hard water? Water which does not produce lather with soap but produces a white scum or precipitate due to formation of insoluble soaps of calcium and magnesium ions. This is the example of sodium stearate soap which is soluble in water. When it comes in contact with calcium and magnesium ions, we get calcium stearate and magnesium stearate which are insoluble, and these insoluble soaps separate out as precipitates. Soft water is the water which produces lather easily with soap. Degree of hardness of drinking water. Soft water is from 0 to 60 milligram per liter. Medium is from 60 to 120 milligram per liter. Hard water is from 120 to 180 milligram per liter. Very hard water is greater than 180 milligram per liter. Advantages of hard water. Some people prefer the taste. Calcium ions in water are good for teeth and bones. A coating of lime scale inside lead pipes stops poisonous salts dissolving into water. However, there are many disadvantages of hard water. Disadvantages of hard water can be categorized in domestic use, in industrial use, and in steam generation in boilers. Domestic use, washing. Hard water does not lather freely with soap and produces sticky precipitates of calcium magnesium soaps till all the calcium and magnesium ions present in water are precipitated. That result in wastage of soap and sticky precipitates adhere to the fabric. Presence of iron salts in hard water may cause staining. During bathing, hard water produces sticky scum on the bathtub and on the body, resulting in wastage of soap. Sticky precipitates on the hairs make it greasy and lifeless. During cooking, due to the presence of dissolved calcium and magnesium ions, the boiling point of water is elevated. Elevation of boiling point is a colligative property that result in more fuel and time requirement for cooking. Drinking hard water is not good for our digestive system. There is a possibility of formation of calcium oxalate crystals in the urinary tract. Disadvantages of hard water in industrial use. In textile industry, water is extensively used. Cloths are subjected to extensive washing, rinsing, dyeing and bleaching actions. Water needs to be soft, free from hardness causing cations. Soap is used for washing yarn and fabric, and much of the soap is wasted when used with hard water. Precipitates of calcium and magnesium soaps adhere to the fabric that do not result in exact shades of color. Iron and manganese salts containing water may stain the fabric. In sugar industry, water used must be free from sulfate, nitrate, and alkali carbonates, which do not allow sugar to crystallize properly, and the obtained sugar may be deliquescent. In dyeing industry, dissolved calcium, magnesium, and iron salts in water may react with costly dye. Presence of cations in water during dyeing can result in change of color from what was desired. In paper industry, calcium and magnesium salts tend to react with chemicals and other materials implied to provide a smooth and glossy finish to the paper. Moreover, iron salts may affect the color of the paper being produced. In laundry, hard water causes much of the soap used in washing to go as waste. Iron salts may cause coloration to the clothes. In pharmaceutical industry, water used needs to be extra pure and free from microorganisms. Hard water, if used for preparing pharmaceuticals, may produce certain undesirable products in them. Steam generation in boilers. Boilers are almost invariably employed for steam generation in industries. Hard water contains dissolved calcium and magnesium salts. When it comes in contact with heating appliances, these dissolved salts precipitate out as limescale deposits that result in wastage of energy. So, energy is wasted. Pipes carrying hard water often get clogged with the limescale deposits and would require replacement after a few years. There are many troubles if hard water is fed directly to the boilers. These are scale and sludge formation, corrosion, priming and forming, and caustic embrittlement. In summary, we have discussed disadvantages of hard water in domestic use, in industrial use, and during steam generation in boilers. Thanks for watching this video.